In the gospel we hear or we read two places where Jesus had the intense God experience. One was at the baptism, more or less same words were heard. This is my beloved Son, in whom I am pleased, listen to him. And now in the transfiguration. But Jesus didn't hear his Father's voice in Garden of Gethsemane. He was there trembling, and Luke says, the sweat of blood was coming down. He pleaded with his Father to take away the chalice from him. Father didn't listen to him. And from the cross, he cried out, Eli, Eli, lama sabachthani. My God, why have you forsaken me? Jesus felt lonely. Father didn't come to his rescue. But what gave Jesus the strength was this God experience he had. He knew that his Father is with him, and it is his Father's will that he should die on the cross. Let us today ask, brothers and sisters, God experience. It is not restricted only to few people, to saints. No, all of us should have a God experience. And that God experience we will have maybe once or twice in our lifetime.